Hey friends, we're going to do an AET journal entry. You're going to make sure that you are in the journal tab. Today we're going to do time in leadership roles. This is for anybody who is an FFA officer and needs to keep track of something they've done for that officer position. So you're going to click this one here with the gavel, the time in leadership roles. You're setting the date to the date that you actually did the activity, unless you're doing it within the day and then you can leave it. So we're going to say yesterday. Ted is our member, and he is doing an activity for FFA office. If you accidentally clicked on the wrong one and you need to navigate to a different one, you can always do that within the category. The activity that we're going to say he did was an FFA meeting planning activity. And then you choose what office you're doing that for. He's the AET coordinator, so you choose whatever office you are doing that for. If you haven't already put in your office within your profile, this won't let you do it. You're going to have to put in the office beforehand, but when you go to do this, it will show you how to do that. He is the chapter. This was a chapter level meeting. And then, as always, you can add and explore skills. So you're going to scroll through here, see what you use. He used some speaking strategies. Then go back up to the top, save and back to journal entry. Here at Westy, we require that you do 3 sentences to explain what you did. Your chapter may be different, so you just need to check with your advisor and make sure that you are meeting whatever requirements they have for you. Make sure that these are all complete sentences and have correct grammar and punctuation. Make sure to check your spelling when you do it. And you always want to kind of just talk about, like, not only what you as a group did, but what you personally did as well in this one. Okay? Put your time in, and then hit save. Easy as that.